Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to review Xiaomi Civi 2. We already had reviewed Xiaomi Civi and Xiaomi Civi 1. So this is the new version we are going to review. You can see this box is bigger than Xiaomi Civi 1 because Civi 1 there is no adapter and charging cable, but in this, yes, there is a adapter and charging cable. So I'm pretty sure that people are going to love it. And Xiaomi Civi 2 price is more cheaper than Xiaomi Civi 1. Yes, and the colors are awesome. So we are going to review this. I'm very curious. So let's go. This is the box of Xiaomi Civi 2. It looks like this. This is bigger than Xiaomi Civi 1S. This variant is 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. There is a SIM injector, some documents and a silicone pouch. And of course 67-watt charger which is gonna be support this phone, and there is a charging cable. Nice. This phone looks pretty nice in this pink color. We have black, we also have blue and white. These three colors, pink, black and blue, these three designs are almost same, but this white color has something new. When you press your fingers on the back of this white, it's something you can feel. This is the special edition of Hello Kitty. This time Xiaomi focused on some features on this phone because this phone is made for women. They literally made this phone very lightweight, which is 171.8 gram, and the thickness is 7.23, which is literally amazing. And the screen size is 6.5, which is OLED display, curved, and you can see the curved design is literally pretty good. And there are some bezels on the left side and on top and bottom, so but still it's looking pretty nice. And overall they provide 4 colors. Let's talk about the body design. On the right side there are volume blockers, and under this there is a power button, and the fingerprint sensor is under display. On the top there is an IR blaster and microphone, and on the top there is also one more microphone for good quality. And there's a SIM slot where you cannot connect your memory card. On the right side there is a charging port and only one speaker, and we will try it out how good the speaker is. Let's talk about the software. The software is MIUI version 13.0 and CPU is octa-core max 2.4 GHz. Android version is 12 and the Snapdragon 7. The main feature of this phone are camera setup, not only from backside, also from the front side. The main camera lens is 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 and the second is ultra wide 20 megapixel Sony IMX 376K. And the last is 2 megapixel macro lens, which should be 8 megapixel would be better. Front camera has dual 32 megapixel lenses. Obviously selfie lovers are gonna love it. I have took some samples which shows you the quality of this phone. I hope you are gonna love it, but I recorded this video in Urdu. I hope you can understand the quality of this phone. Enjoy. कैमरा से और फ्रंट कैमरा पे जब आप वीडियोस वगैरह बनाते हैं तो कुछ ऐसा रिजल्ट मिलता है। तो ये वीडियो बनाते वक्त जो है ये फोकस कर रहा है, आप फोकस कर सकते हैं। और इसके बाद ये है जूम नहीं कर रहा है। तो वीडियो बनाने से पहले ये आप जूम कर सकते हैं, जितनी आपको जूम करनी है फ्रंट कैमरा पे उतना कर सकते हैं, मगर इसके बाद ये जूम नहीं करेगा। तो मुझे वीडियो क्वालिटी काफ़ी अच्छी लग रही है। और मैं अभी यहाँ पे चल रहा हूँ और अभी मैं थोड़ी सी रोलिंग करके देखता हूँ कि कैसा ही इसका स्टेबलाइजेशन सिस्टम है। तो ये फ्रंट कैमरा से इसका रिज़ल्ट मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है। ये मैं 4K 30 FPS पे बना रहा हूँ। ये बैक कैमरा से वीडियो, ये अल्ट्रा वाइड है। अभी अल्ट्रा वाइड से जो है कुछ ऐसा मिलेगा, और अगर आप इसकी ब्लॉगिंग करना चाहते हैं अल्ट्रा वाइड से तो कुछ ऐसा मिलेगा आपको। अल्ट्रा वाइड के साथ अगर मैं इसे थोड़ा सा मज़ीद जूम करता हूँ तो इस तरह से ये आपको जूमिंग मिल जाएगी। तो उसके बाद अगर आप ब्लॉगिंग करते हैं तो कुछ इस तरह से आपको इसका रिजल्ट मिलेगा। मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं कितना अंदर हूँ कितना बाहर हूँ इस वीडियो के। और इसके अलावा आप इसे मज़ीद जूम कर सकते हैं। मुझे वीडियो की क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी लग रही है। 50 मेगापिक्सल है और ये अभी भी जूम कर रहा है। ये 6x तक जाके इसने स्टॉप किया है अभी। तो 6x तक जाके इसने स्टॉप किया और ये अभी बाहर आ रहा है इस तरह से। तो अभी मैं इसका थोड़ा जूम करके देखता हूँ और अभी मैं थोड़ी सी रनिंग कर रहा हूँ, तो देखते हैं कि इसका स्टेबलाइजेशन सिस्टम कैसा है। ओके।
Xiaomi Civi 2 has 3 variants. The basic variant is 8GB RAM 128GB internal storage, which costs $335 from China. And the second variant is 8GB RAM 256GB internal storage, which costs $349. And the last variant is 12GB RAM 256GB internal storage, $391. This phone has 4 colors: black, white, blue and purple. I hope this video would help you, and I also hope you would subscribe to my channel, and this gives me strength to make more videos. I will see you in the next one. Bye.